Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can clean out your Nespresso Vertuo Plus coffee machine. So it's going to rinse it out. Might be useful if you haven't used it in a long time and you're worried about stale water being stuck inside it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that there's no pod stuck in here from previously. So right now this is actually on, so I'm going to lift this up here and the pod is going to fall into the container at the back. Now we want to take this off here and we want to bring it over to the sink. We want to give this a nice good clean with some warm water and some washing up liquid and then give it a good rinse afterwards. Make sure this is all nice and clean and the lid. You want to take out your pod container at the back here, recycle your pods and give this a good wash out in here. You can do this in the sink. There is little holes here and here so water will come out off the side. And then once we've done that, we want to fill this up with some fresh drinking water. So I'm just going to use tap water and then we're going to rinse it through the machine. Right, so you can see that that's nearly full and we're going to use a litre container at the front here to collect the dirty water. So you need to make sure the machine is on. This is still on from previous. If it's not, turn it on and wait for it to heat up. So the flashing green light will go to a solid light and you can see it's a solid green light now. We need to hit this top button 3 times within 2 seconds, but don't do it too quick. Just be relaxed about it, but do it quick enough so it does it within 3 seconds. So watch me and you will see it will then go to a flashing orange and then it will start the process. You're telling the machine to start the process. It can take up to 2 minutes before anything comes out and it can take around 5 minutes to actually flush it through. It will stop automatically when it has flushed through. If, for example, you're going to overflow here or you're worried and you need to stop it, you can press this button here and it will stop the process at any time. So here we go, 3 times within 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And can you see now we have a flashing orange light. So we just need to sit back and wait for it to do what it needs to do. Remember, it can take up to 2 minutes before anything starts coming out here. And I can already see that there's bits of coffee in there. Also, if you've got the drip tray, this is a good opportunity to clean out the drip tray as well. And you'll know when it's complete because this flashing orange light will go to a steady green and then you know the machine has finished cleaning everything out. And there we go, can you see now it's gone to a solid green light up the top here and it looks like we've got about 700 millilitres out of this, in fact a little bit more, 750 millilitres of water, so quite a lot got flushed through. So that's it. If you just turn it off now, next time you go to use it, it will be now hopefully nice and safe to use because you've put fresh water right the way through it. If this video has helped you out, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.